Hey, what's up guys? This is Enrique and welcome to another After Effects tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you the steps that you can follow to recreate this Benn TK Climb up transition, which he created in his Philippines and Cambodia travel video. So before we start, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon para ma-notify ka every time na may bago akong video. So here are my footages. Kung mapapansin nyo, ni-reverse ko tong first clip para makapag-create ako ng pan-up movement. Ayan. So these are my footages. Next, we will rename the footages so that we will not get confused as we edit the video. So I will name the first clip as first clip and the second clip as second clip. Next is go to the first clip, click time, enable time remapping, and put keyframe dito sa ating first clip para makapag speed ramp tayo. Ayan. Then put another keyframe dito sa end portion ng clip kung saan gusto nating mag-end yung scene. Then drag para ma-compress yung time. Then punta lang kayo sa graph editor, then create a line like this. At magkaroon tayo ng speed ramp effect. Then, i-fine-tune mo lang yung mga positions ng keyframe according dun sa gusto mong bilis or speed. Then, maglagay tayo ng konting digital zoom. Press the first clip and click S. Then add some keyframes and animate the scale. Next, we will try to add something that would block the frame, and that something should be organic to the scene so that the transition would be seamless. And to do that, we will duplicate our first clip, and the duplicated clip is the one that would block the frame. Next, gawa ka lang ng mask dito sa ating duplicated clip. And adjust mo lang yung scale, position, and rotation para iharang natin siya dito sa ating footage. Next, go to edit and duplicate our blocking element and adjust their position in their y-axis para magmukha silang mahaba dito sa frame. Next, add an adjustment layer and parent our 3 clips to the adjustment layer. Next, go to adjustment layer and adjust its position in its y-axis para masubukan natin kung nagmo-move ba lahat ng clips as we adjust the y-axis position. In this case, it is already working, but the problem is as we adjust its y-axis, nagkakaroon siya ng black bar. So to remove that, we apply motion tile. Next, in order to avoid confusion, let's try to rename our blocking elements as bridge 1 and bridge 2. Then add ka lang ng Y position keyframe dito sa spot na to. Then increase its value hanggang sa ma-reach ng blocking elements natin yung bottom ng frame. Add another keyframe in this spot. Then now decrease its value hanggang sa makita na natin yung ating first clip. Then fine-tune mo lang yung ating Y position keyframe according to your preference. Next, highlight your second keyframe, go to keyframe assistant and click easy ease in. Then fine-tune mo lang yung locations ng ating mga keyframes according to your preference. Next, we will add some camera shakes. And to do that, we will add new camera and highlight all the clips and make them all 3D. Go to the camera, transform, and alt left click to the position. And type wiggle and put this value. In order to make our blocking elements more organic, we will add a light layer. To do that, click new and add light. The problem here is we're also affecting the first clip. So in order for us not to affect the first clip, i-deactivate lang natin yung 3D mode ng ating first clip. Para mawala itong mga black shades na to, i-move lang natin papalayo yung ating light, yung ating source of light. Then fine-tune again yung ating Y position keyframe according dun sa iyong preference. Next, change the view layout into 2 views horizontal and change the position of the bridge 2 element in its z-axis. Then apply Gaussian blur into each bridge element. Next, we can now bring our second clip into the scene and put it below the bridges element. Next, apply time remapping or enable time remapping in our second clip and scale up the second clip so that the black portion of the clip will be removed. Next, in order to make this effect more realistic, we will add some wiggle effect. To do that, go to the wiggler in this panel or go to window and check your wiggler. Lastly, add a motion blur.